Right, okay, so we're looking at dividing lines in a given ratio, all right? So what you've got to do is, here's the ratio, by the way. You've essentially got a line that looks something like this. It goes, what is it, x, y, x to y, okay? And somewhere in here, right, is z, all right? So z's about there, well, that's 5 and that's 1. So what the best thing to do is work out the difference between those, the x coordinates, work out the difference between these and split that amount, the y coordinates, split that amount in the given ratio. Okay, so x to z, all right, and z to y, and I'm going to do that twice, do it in blue as well, x to z, z to y. So what I'm going to do is look at, so it should be out of 6, so we got 5 to 1, so it's 6 here. Now, for the x coordinates, okay, the x coordinates here, right, the difference is 12 or minus 12, isn't it? So I've got to multiply by minus 2, right, multiply that by minus 2, okay, so it's gone minus 10 and minus 2, which is a total of minus 12. Now, from the 3, I've got to go minus 10. So, hold on, sorry, didn't do that very well. There we go, right, so from, there we go. So from 3, I've got to go down 10. So it's minus 7. If I do the same with the y coordinates, right, that's going to be 5 to 1. We've got a lot of room. Total is 6. And it goes from minus 5, so that's up 18. So I've got to times 3. Times 3. So that's going to be 15. So, and that's going to be, what's that? 3. Okay, and so therefore I need to add on 15 to that, which is going to give me 10. All right, and so there we go. Now you could have done it. I could have been taking 2 off of this one. Oh, sorry, not that one. Sorry, this one instead. Right, and I could have been taking 3 off of this one, if you like. But I'm going from x to y. Okay, now then, let's have a look at the next one. So, next one says that AC, all right, so again, here we go. A, B, 3 to 1. All right, AC, that's C, sorry, there. AC is 3 times CB. Okay, so we've got the ratio 3 to 1. All right, so ratio 3 to 1, that's, sorry, AC to CB, total. Okay, so I look at the x coordinates, difference is 12. Oh, what am I doing, putting my 12 in the wrong place? There we go, so it's 4, it's 12, so I'm going to multiply by 3, that's for the x coordinates. So for the x coordinates, multiply by 3, and we get 9 to 3. For the y coordinates, the difference was, what was that, minus 6. So we're going to multiply by minus 1.5 times minus 1.5. So that's going to be 3 times minus 1.5 is minus 4.5. And 1 times minus 1 was minus 1.5. So here we go. Here go the answers. We should have down here, so I've got to add 9 onto that, so that's going to be 12. And then I've got to take 4.5 off the y coordinate from 1, take off 4.5, that's that bit there, minus 3.5, 3.5. Okay, so all you're doing, if you think about it as splitting the horizontal movement up in the ratio, or sharing in that ratio, and splitting the vertical movement, it actually becomes pretty straightforward. Okay, enjoy.